Hi, my name is Alexis Hodge, and today I'm going to be teaching you 6 different watercolor techniques. These 6 different watercolor techniques include wet on wet, dry surface, water on wet paint and tissue, salt on wet paint, and plastic wrap on wet paint. For this activity, you will need some watercolor paper. It does not have to be this big, it just needs to be big enough for 6 reasonably sized watercolor swatches. And you do want to use the watercolor paper because it's thicker and water resistant, so it won't break down on you while you're trying to put these nice layers of paint on. You'll also need a soft tip watercolor brush, a cup of water, some salt, iodized or table salt is fine, plastic wrap, some tissue or toilet paper, and a watercolor palette of some kind. Today, you will also have some vocabulary words along with this lesson as we work with watercolor techniques today. There's going to be 7 of them. Bleeding,